Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to promote troops in Kingshot. Here's how to promote troops in Kingshot. To unlock promotions, you need to reach a specific level for your barracks or training facility, usually level 13, which also requires upgrading your town center to the corresponding level. Once unlocked, navigate to the training section and look for the promotion icon, a small arrow near the axe symbol. Selecting it will display the materials required, the number of troops to be promoted, the resulting upgraded unit, and the promotion time. You can choose to complete the promotion immediately using diamonds for speed. Promoting troops strengthens your army, improves combat efficiency, and prepares your forces for larger battles and strategic campaigns, making it a key step in advancing your kingdom and kingshot. Additionally, keep in mind that careful planning of which troops to promote first can maximize your battle readiness, and regularly checking for available promotion ensures your army stays competitive against other kingdoms. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.